Did you know that a dog's sense of smell is estimated to be between 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours? That's right. Their noses are equipped with up to 300 million olfactory receptors, dwarfing the 6 million that humans possess. And when it comes to processing scents, the part of a dog's brain that's devoted to this task is proportionally 40 times greater than ours. Their superpower noses don't just find missing socks, they can detect diseases too. It might surprise you to learn that dogs can actually sniff out cancer. Yes, you heard that right. Our furry friends possess an extraordinary sense of smell that can detect the faintest traces of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which are often emitted by cancerous cells. This remarkable ability is a testament to the power of a dog's nose, which boasts up to 300 million olfactory receptors compared to our mere 6 million. The notion of dogs sniffing out cancer isn't new. It's been the subject of numerous studies around the globe. For instance, a Japanese study found that a trained Labrador retriever could detect colorectal cancer with an accuracy rate of 98% by simply sniffing patients' breath samples. In another study conducted in Italy, researchers trained 2 German shepherds to sniff out prostate cancer from urine samples. The dogs were able to identify the cancer with a staggering 99% accuracy, outperforming even some traditional lab tests. Meanwhile, in the United States, a study involving 3 dogs trained in scent detection found that they could identify lung cancer from blood samples with a 97% success rate. And it's not just lung cancer. Dogs have also been trained to detect other types of cancer, including breast and skin cancer, with similar levels of accuracy. These studies underscore the incredible potential of our canine companions in the early detection of cancer. It's important to note, however, that while dogs have shown remarkable success in detecting cancer, they are by no means a replacement for regular checkups and screenings. Dogs provide an additional, potentially life-saving tool in our ongoing battle against this pervasive disease. It's fascinating, isn't it? The same creatures that bring us fetch toys, wag their tails when we come home, and provide unconditional love may also hold the key to early cancer detection. But you may be wondering, how exactly do dogs manage to sniff out these volatile compounds released by cancerous cells? So how do they do this? Let's dive into the science. Dogs don't just smell cancer, they're trained to recognize the specific scent signatures of different cancers. Now let's talk about the science behind this. Cancer cells, much like all cells, release metabolic waste. But here's where it gets interesting. The waste products expelled by cancer cells are different from those of healthy cells. This waste is made up of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, as they're often referred to. These VOCs have a distinct odor. While it's undetectable to us humans, it's like a neon sign for our canine companions. Dogs with their superpowered snouts can pick up on these odors, distinguishing them from the scents of healthy cells. It's quite an incredible feat if you think about it, but how do dogs learn to identify these scents? Through a process called positive reinforcement training. It's a method where dogs are rewarded for correctly identifying the scent of cancerous cells. Over time, they learn to associate the scent with the reward. Gradually, they become adept at picking up these scent signatures, even among a myriad of other smells. So there you have it. The metabolic waste of cancer cells, the distinct odors they give off, and the training of dogs to recognize these scents. This, in essence, is the science behind our furry friends' extraordinary ability to sniff out cancer. The implications of dogs' ability to detect cancer are vast, and researchers are only just scratching the surface. Imagine a future where our understanding of a dog's keen sense of smell is harnessed in a device, an electronic nose, or e-nose, if you will. This isn't a far-fetched idea. Currently, ongoing research is focused on developing these e-noses that could mimic a dog's incredible olfactory faculties. Think of the possibilities. This technology could take the form of compact handheld devices, enabling widespread, affordable, and early cancer detection. It could revolutionize healthcare as we know it. No longer would we solely rely on invasive procedures or expensive tests for early diagnosis. A quick sniff test could potentially save lives, all thanks to our understanding of our canine companions' extraordinary sense of smell. Our best friends do more than just offer companionship, They might also hold the key to early cancer detection.